Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 2500 set, and this is Mark's equipment from Maine, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, Mark has a note with this unit, and he was talking about this telephone with the original keypad, which has the tunable coils, started to drift in frequency. And so what he wanted to do is upgrade that keypad to a little more modern electronic type keypad, which creates the tones from an IC chip. And so he wasn't real sure how to wire that keypad into the network, since there was also a polarity protect circuit. And his understanding is these newer style keypads basically have a polarity protect circuit on the PC board. And so he wanted to go ahead and remove the original polarity protect circuit and just utilize the polarity protect circuit that comes with a keypad on the main PC board. And we're going to go ahead and take care of that issue. We will be reconfiguring the keypad that he sent to us to wire into the network. And so this keypad is not wired to the network at all at this point. He also sent a modular line port that's new, and he wants the line port that's on this telephone replaced since it's cracked up and broke a little bit. So we'll take care of that issue. Mark is also referring to the keypad that he sent us as a 73H3A, and it's actually a 72H3A. And so there is difference. They may look similar, but they're different. And the old tunable type coil keypads generally start out with 35A or 35Y. So there is differences, even though some of them may look alike. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric 2500 set, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 2500 set, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, July 7th. The current time, 2:13 p.m. and the temperature, 95 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 2500 set has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Mark and he can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.